Hiya.
Welcome to today's vlog. A little bit different this vlog actually. We are now at the Renaissance at London Heathrow. That's the runway just behind us here. As we go on holiday tomorrow, and we cannot wait. So tomorrow morning we check in for our flight at, well, the flight's at 11:35. We're flying off to Miami and then we're going to drive up to Orlando. So we're basically in this vlog to tell you a little bit about our holiday and our itinerary preparations and what we've got planned for this. It's just over 2 weeks, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a 17-day holiday, so it's the longest holiday we've ever been on, and yeah, so we're just going to discuss the itinerary.
But first, I think you should show everyone around the room.
Yeah, do a quick room tour. Okay. So this is our room. I'm going to give you a really quick room tour. So as you walk in, obviously pop your thing in there for your electricity, light switches, lovely. Walk in here and you've got the bathroom. So you have a couple of towels, a huge mirror. Hi, I can't wait to not wear this for the next 3 weeks. Sink, toiletries, towel rail, your glass bath thing, bathtub, and some more shower rails. There used to be a little hangy thing that you dragged across to hang up clothes, but they've got rid of that, but that doesn't matter. Then we've got this wardrobe here. In here you have hangers, also a safe, dressing gown, ironing board and an iron. I'm now going to take you into the room. So you have your little stand here with tea, coffee, some glasses, and there's a fridge. It is empty. You don't get like a mini bar unless you've got a club level room. And also a huge mirror, which looks cool because it looks like that's one big poster, but it's not. Vanity mirror there. Sorry. Ignore the luggage, that's obviously there for luggage. And then we've got a TV, quite a big TV. What I like about this room is there's so many plugs and adapters as well. So you've got a European one here, and that's your English plug there as well. Dan's just doing some editing on the Mac. Massive bed. And then you've got a telephone, lights, reading lights, more plugs either side. And then you walk around here. So behind here, more plugs there, although that's kind of wired into the lamp. Hairdryer. And an adjoining room. And this is the view. So this is it's kind of like the Bible of this holiday.
It's just a blank sheet.
I know it's a blank sheet, I'm waiting for the reveal. So this is our itinerary, I'll show you it to you now. It's huge. Look at that. All the colour coordination that's gone into this massive plan. So let's go through it.
Obviously not in too much detail because we don't want to bore everyone.
Oh yeah, yeah. Well, a quick overview of what we're going to do. So when we get to Miami, we're staying near the airport, and it's quite a cheap hotel we got for the night.
Yeah, it's a Ramada, just outside the airport, but of equal distance away from an IHOP and a Walmart, both within a few minutes drive.
Which is great because I need to get some of those little clip-on things because I've left my sunglasses at home. Yay. And
we also have a tradition of going to an IHOP the first night of every trip because it's just what we do. So
we're sad like that.
Yeah, breakfast sampler.
The next morning when we wake up, so that's now the Tuesday morning? Yeah, Tuesday morning, we're driving up to Orlando. I think it takes about 3.5 hours on a toll road, so hopefully there shouldn't be too much traffic. And then we're checking into the All-Stars movie resort, and we have requested a Toy Story room. I know they've been refurbished, so hoping it is refurbished. We're staying there. How many nights are we even staying there for?
8 nights, and it's our first ever time staying within Disney, so the transport is going to be all new to us and everything, so you're going to see it hopefully through our eyes for the first time, and hopefully we'll be able to give a good review of how it's going to work. Yeah, well generally the whole of Disney's new, isn't it? We've only been a couple of times. We've only ever been to Magic Kingdom and Animal Kingdom, so yeah. All the water parks, Epcot and Hollywood Studios are all new to us.
Never touched. And we haven't seen Pandora either because that wasn't there last time.
No.
So when we check in for that first night, we're then basically getting ready and going straight to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. We're going to be so tired. It's up till open till 12, so we're going to be absolutely shattered when it comes to this party. But yeah, pumpkin lattes to keep me going.
And sweets.
And sweets, yeah. Oh, we need to get bags for the sweets.
Yeah, 2 rucksacks ready.
Yeah. Maybe like a carry-on duffel bag or something, just put the sweets in.
So yeah, then the next day, we've got a chill morning.
Oh yeah,
just to relax.
I don't know if you saw that. he's factored in when we have a chill. So we've got a few chill periods.
There's 7 chill periods.
7 periods of chill.
Yeah. Then we're going to go to Epcot. We've got a few fast passes there, and then Magic Kingdom in the evening to see the Happily Ever After show for the first time. I'm going to see that twice this holiday. One so we can just take it in, and then the second time just to see everything we missed that first time. So hopefully, I think it's going to be amazing.
I hope so too. We've already listened to the soundtrack a couple
many
of
times.
Okay, I was going like the nice, like level-headed couple of times, but
I think it's in the top 10 most listened songs on iTunes. Our iTunes account.
Next morning, we've got another chill morning, and then we head into Animal Kingdom. We were really lucky with our fast passes there because on different days you managed to get like Navi River Journey and also Flight of Passage. So I'm excited to go there again, go on Everest again, and have a little wander around. Dan can't wait for the Lion King.
I didn't think we were doing the Lion King this time.
You love the Lion King.
I did, but it's the queuing and everything. Perhaps there's other things we can do instead.
Okay, maybe we'll do the Lion King. You'll find out.
So yeah, next day, Typhoon Lagoon. Really excited for the wave pool and all the rides really. And then Epcot, we've got some fast passes then, and we're also going to play a game called Epcot Roulette, which we've invented, but we'll tell you more about that in that actual vlog. So that should be quite exciting.
Next morning, another chill. I seem to be getting all the chills when I'm reading them out. And then we're into Hollywood Studios. Again, we've never been there. Toy Story Land's just opened. We've
Slinky
got
Dog.
fast passes for Slinky Dog. It's only open till 8 PM, so it won't be dark. We kind of wanted to ride Slinky Dog in the dark, but we're going to try and ride it a couple of times, aren't we, depending on the queues.
And we're doing the Fantasmic Dessert and VIP party, which we booked. I think we probably booked that before we even booked the holiday. Really excited about that. Again, you found the music to Fantasmic, and we've listened to that loads of times as well.
In your imagination.
So yeah, really excited about that. Can't wait to see that. Next day, so a Sunday, Magic Kingdom in the morning for the Be Our Guest restaurant. Again, that's one of the things we really wanted to do for the quick service dining plan that we've got. So that should be fun. And then back in Animal Kingdom in the afternoon, evening. This time with the Kali River Rapids. This time with the Flight of Passage, as we can only get one tier 1 per visit. So yeah, that should be brilliant.
And then the next day, Blizzard Beach. There aren't as many vlogs on Blizzard Beach, are there?
No, we found it harder to find.
Yeah, Typhoon Lagoon's got a lot more on YouTube. But Blizzard Beach, again, really excited to go there. And followed by Magic Kingdom, where we're going to watch Happily Ever After once again, just to take it all in again.
And we've got Fast Pass 7 Dwarfs Mine Train, which is one of my favourite rides, so I'm really looking forward to it.
And also Peter Pan's Flight. Don't know what that's going to be.
We've never done that, have we?
No,
so
it's always got a huge queue, so it was there, so we've done it.
Next day, Hollywood Studios. We have, again, a few fast passes there. It's our last day in Disney. We have a chill evening in the evening just to get some sleep. And then ready for the next day, really,
We've basically got to pack up all of our suitcases, because then the next morning we're checking in early to the Evolve Pacific at Universal Orlando Resort. The reason we've done that is because you get your fast passes as well, so that opened up 2 days of just pure fast passes at Universal. So yeah, that's what we're doing that day, Universal Express Pass, and obviously staying in Royal Pacific, so I'm looking forward to that again.
Yeah, I love the Royal Pacific, it's a great hotel. So yeah, that's the next day as well, so Express Pass the next day. We don't know what it's going to be like. We've never been in Halloween, so we've chosen not to do Halloween Horror Nights, and that's more because I'm an absolute wimp. I can't walk down the street and have people wielding chainsaws at me, or even contemplate going through a house of people making you jump. It just terrifies me. So yeah, we'll have to see how busy it is in studios in the morning, because I wonder if everyone's going to go there, try and get, especially families, try and get in there before, and yeah, then spend the evening in Islands.
Then the last couple of nights we've been looking on the app at the queue times, and even while Halloween Horror Nights has been going on in Universal, Islands of Adventure isn't that busy.
No.
Like the queue time's about 10-20 minutes for rides, that's not too bad.
So then after that, we saw in another vlog that they went to Encantada Resorts. I can Sorry, I can barely say it, so I have to say it really slowly. So we've been watching that and waiting for the price to go down, and we managed to get a really good deal on that. So we're staying there, checking in that night for 4 nights, with the hot tub, which we're quite excited about.
2 bedrooms, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 bedrooms.
So that'd be nice to kind of have the part villa experience. So look forward to that. So yeah, check in there.
Next morning, we're going to go to water park. We haven't decided which one. It's going to be either Typhoon Lagoon or Blizzard Beach, whichever one we like the most.
I think it's going to be Typhoon Lagoon.
Yeah, we're going to go back
we'll
to one of them. And then we've got a reservation at the Edison at Disney Springs. I think that's for 3 p.m.
Yeah.
And I think Dan's going to book me on as well for the Orlando Starflyer.
Yeah.
So have you booked that already?
No, not yet.
No, still need to book that. I'm going to go up on the Starflyer. That might be really busy though, because it is a Friday night. So
I don't think many people are brave enough to go on it though, because all the videos I've seen, it's never been full. It wasn't like the one you went on in London that was rammed.
Yeah, that was smaller as well, wasn't it?
I think you'll get on, but we will book it in advance.
Yeah.
Just so, because I want to see him terrified.
And we want to see if we can get the GoPro on there as well. So I don't know how you do that. If you just like hide it
I want to ask, so we won't do it the cheeky way. Next day, something really exciting, something that I've wanted to do since we first went to Magic Kingdom. We've got the Keys to the Kingdom booked for an 8 a.m. start.
Super early.
Yeah, we're going to try and get in a little bit earlier before as well and get some pictures of Main Street quite quiet and things.
Plane just landed, guys. They've changed runways. That was fun.
And then we've got a few fast passes for that as well. And then a chill evening.
And that's going to be one in the hot tub, basically, I think, isn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe a drink in the hot tub and some tacos or something. That's generally what our chill evenings are. Next day, we're back in Universal. It's a Saturday. Is that Saturday? That's a Sunday.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, it's a Sunday.
It's going to be busy.
It's going to be busy. We haven't got express passes, but it's open from 8 a.m. Universal Studios 8 till 5, and then Islands of Adventure is 9 till 9. So I imagine we'll be in studios in the morning, head on over to Islands of Adventure, just kind of finish up some bits you want to do, because obviously this is our last trip for that annual passes as well, to try and maximise that day as much as we can.
It's going to be a mosh.
It is going to be a mosh. We're not going back to Florida yet next year, but we might do. And then we've got another chill evening.
Yeah, that evening it's Dunkin' Donuts in the hot tub.
Yeah. Oh, but that's our last night as well at the Encantada. See, I can't even say it. So we're going to have everything packed up and kind of organised that night as well. So.
Yeah. Next day we start heading back to Miami for our flight, so we've still got 2 more nights. We're going to swing in Cocoa Beach on the way to Miami, which is where we got married in December 2015. So we want to go to the place where we actually got married, and just we'll probably get some a Subway or something and have like a little
Subway.
Yeah,
how romantic.
A picnic or something.
Oh, okay.
And hopefully the weather will be nice. It'd be nice to get back there, and then either if we can find a way to drive down the coast to Miami, we will. Otherwise, onto one of the I roads, and then we check into a Hampton Inn in Miami Midtown.
Does that have free parking?
No, that's the one when someone takes your car.
Oh, a valet. Where someone takes your car.
A valet. Yeah, and I'm sure we'll be quite tired after that.
Then the next morning we got a big bus tour that has been booked. I don't know how much that costs. It's fairly priced?
I think it's about £30–40
each.
Yes.
Oh.
But it's all day.
Yeah.
And you get access to all of their routes that they do.
And it's a hop on, hop off bus.
Yes. And we've only got 1 whole day there, so it's just the easiest way to see everything.
Yeah.
I'm really looking forward to it, actually. We've done the one in Paris and we found it really, really useful. We've always kind of laughed at them in London, but then like...
I don't laugh, I just wave.
Yeah, in Paris I found it really good, so I'm quite excited about that.
Boat tour. Is that booked as well?
Yet to be confirmed.
Oh, to be confirmed. And then the next day, Dan?
Next day is our last chill.
Last chill.
So yeah, just probably pack in, probably a last visit to Walmart, get some caramel M&Ms. We've got a few other things requested, so again...
I've got goosebumps. He said caramel M&Ms, and my arm's gone up in goosebumps. I don't even know how.
Yeah, and then drive to the airport, drop off the car even, and then fly out at 6:20 p.m. It's going to be a sad time, and that's when the Orlando Blues are going to hit him. We
arrive at 8 a.m. in this lovely weather, which is actually brightening up. It's been pouring down with rain all day. But yeah, we land at like 8 a.m. and then we have to get the train into London and then back up home, and then Dan's mum's going to pick us up from the airport. Airport train station. But so yeah, that's basically just a quick overview of what we're doing on this holiday.
Well, we hope you enjoyed that rundown of our itinerary. Don't forget to check out our vlog due out, hopefully, fingers crossed, on Friday the 28th. It should come out. That should be Travel Day, and then it'll be weekly from there. It's all down to how well I can edit whilst on holiday, so we'll see.
But if you did like it, hit that little like button down there and give us a thumbs up, and also subscribe for our next weekly vlogs. So we'll see you later.